milk I'm about to drink is the world's cleanest milk. It has no lactose, no cholesterol, and it doesn't even come from an animal. This is the world's first milk that is made without a cow. And these guys made it.
Let's see what I get, and I do not have an egg cut, I promise. I just don't have a barber at 30 seconds. We think all that is fake, literally.
Just tell me, why won't you adopt me?
I'm not gonna say it!
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
What would you like to order?
Can I get an ice caramel?
What?
An ice caramel.
What would you like to order?
An ice.